Yo guys, it's SportsBoy37, back with another video. I'm kind of embarrassed because I just took a picture instead of a video. But I'm back at Kaden's house for another house tour. His house looks a lot different.
I want to be, but I'm not good at it. I'm pretty good at it. I just don't.
See, there's the Christmas tree.
Yes, it is Christmas time. Last time it was like September?
Yeah, it was September last time.
When we did our house tour.
Let's start with the downstairs area. We'll come back up and finish in the kitchen.
Okay. Wait, we have to do upstairs, remember?
Yeah, I know. We'll go back up there. Yeah, there's the mirror.
Look.
This is my... That's funny. Oh, okay. Let's see how much I weigh.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh almost 80 pounds.
Yeah.
How much do you weigh?
What about me?
Yeah. 100.
No, I weigh 96.
Okay. So...
I still weigh 96.
Okay, let's keep down here. There's our stockings. Beautiful stockings.
Yes.
This time I think we might actually go outside for part 2.
Yes.
Here's the laundry room.
Where's Jessica?
Cat's room. Where
are the cats?
I have no idea. That ain't the biggest deal right now.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll go down to the
the basement. Otherwise known as the rage room.
Not the rage room, the boxing room.
Yep. And your rage room when you want to get angry.
Oh, the basement.
Okay.
We're doing a house tour.
Yeah, that's fine, but there's stuff down there that you don't need to be
Okay.
Yep.
This room will not be featured in the video.
too close to Christmas. Things are...
Right.
Okay. Let's start going upstairs.
Yep.
He wants you to play Smoke on the Water at some point.
Yeah. I'll try.
Up here we have our wonderful bathroom.
Yes.
Let's see. I found him.
Really?
Get here. Looky here.
Ezreal.
Oh,
Hi,
yeah.
Ezreal.
Here, duck it down.
Ezreal.
Hi. All right. Let's go.
Wait. Don't you have Wait, don't you have a third cat now?
No. I found her.
Where's he?
Don't.
Hi, Mace. I don't know if you can really see her that well.
I see her.
Okay.
You're about
It's
to run
me, SportsBoy28. I don't have a channel yet.
Yeah. Ezreal's just like, what the hell? Azrael's just like, what the heck?
That's my playroom.
Yes. Playroom does not look much different.
Then my room.
Right. We're about to show. Yep. Make sure this video gets more views than the other video. The other video has 100 views.
Wow, your saxophone looks a lot different than mine.
Really, what does yours look like?
Here.
That's my sax. Your case looks a lot different.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Here, and then you saw Daniel's sax already. Here's mine.
It's not that much different.
Well, yours is older, that's why.
I think mine has
Why
a.
do you have
Mine has a. Mine
Why
has
the heck do you have a cracked reed here?
I forgot to throw that away. Wait.
Daniel, look at this.
Yeah. No kidding.
No kidding, it honestly looks like a pistol.
Wait. Zip code MP. Nice. Yeah, I think mine has a bigger bell than yours.
Yeah. Alright, let's go finish down in the kitchen and we'll end the video.
Yes. Nothing new with Kaden's room. Get this video to more like 300.
Except for the echo dot.
Okay. So get this video to like 325 views or something. And what? 10,000 likes? Also get me to 200 subscribers. Alright.
Okay. Here's the kitchen. We got the
I
table.
found out that Kettle One is basically the same,
And
you
you
get,
just killed a few weeks
like
ago.
a quarter-liter more for $1 less.
Oh, yeah.
And then the echo
That's just
dot.
like, at
The Echo Show.
Costco.
Show.
Yep.
Where's the echo dot?
Upstairs in my room.
Oh.
So let's go show you my Echo Dot. But I'm not going to play anything for you yet.
Where is the echo dot?
Right there.
Where?
Right there, right next to the lava lamp.
Ah. Alexa. Cancel. Okay. Yep. Alright, so we are going to end this video.
And we will
Be back
see you guys with part 2, which is the outer edges of my house.
which we will be doing sometime after lunch.
Yep.
All right, bye.
Bye. Don't mention the SpongeBob.
Yeah.